Okay, it's 77.
Welcome to the TopCat AI signal report. Today we're going a little deeper. Bring enough in for the depth you're willing to explore. From the blur, we can hear it now. Less noise in the room, more truths coming out. From noise to signal. From noise to signal. When we are just vibing, creation happens. From noise to signal. From noise to signal. Calm in the current. That's where it lands.
And where it lands today, welcome back to the TopCat AI Signal Report. I'm your host, Coach Clement, and this is number 77. We're well on our way to 100, and it would not be possible without you all across the world, actually, in many countries, in many states. I do appreciate you. Today's signal is that the AI economy is becoming even more uneven, y'all. The gap is widening between companies that are truly operationalizing AI and companies that are merely paying for the access to it. Now, new enterprise data suggests the top 10% of OpenAI enterprise customers, measured by output tokens per active user, generated 8.3 times as much usage as customers in the middle decile in June. That is crazy. That is not just usage statistic. It's a warning. The businesses pulling ahead are not necessarily using more AI tools. They are building stronger workflows, better data foundation, clear ownership, and more disciplined ways to turn AI capability into business value. Are you following me? This is today's executive brief. Let's begin, y'all. Segment 1, the headline. The strongest signal today is that AI adoption is separated into two groups. The first group is using AI as a tool. They have subscriptions, they have chat windows, they have employees experimenting with prompts. They may have a few pilot projects. The second group is using AI as an operating layer. They are integrating it into customer support, research, coding, finance, HR, sales preparation, internal knowledge, and decision support. They are measuring results. They are improving workflows. They are training people. They are building governance. And they are learning how to delegate controlled work to AI agents. That is why the top enterprise users are pulling away. Now, the advantage is not access. Access is becoming common. The advantage is implementation. Segment 2, the concentration signal. The concentration signal is also showing up in spending. A recent analysis cited ramp data showing, get that, ramp data, showing that the median firm in the top 1% of AI spend per employee, organizations paid about $7,400 per employee in June and July. It also found that API usage, GPU cloud, model serving, and influence accounted for nearly 73% of measured AI spending, much more than chat and coding agent subscription. This is from LinkedIn, y'all. Now that tells us something important. The real AI economy is not just people paying monthly for a chatbot. You know, I got them for like $7 a month, by the way. Let's go. The real AI economy is companies building systems. Systems need inference. Systems need data. Systems need integration. Systems need monitoring. Systems need security. And systems need people who know how to operate them. Does that make sense? This is where the gap begins. Some companies are still asking, which AI tool should we try? Other companies are asking, which business process can we redesign? Those are two very different questions. Would you all agree? Segment 3, why this matters. Excuse me. This matters because AI creates compound advantage. A company that improves one workflow may save a little time. A company that improves 10 connected workflows can improve the speed of the whole organization. Think about that chain. A lead comes in, AI helps qualify the lead, it prepares background research, it drafts a response, it schedules follow-up, it summarizes the call, it updates the CRM, it identifies the next action, y'all. Then a human salesperson spends more time on the relationship and less time on administrative work. And that is what salespeople want. Am I lying, salespeople? Holla at me. That is not one prompt. That is the system. And systems compound. The company that builds this kind of operating layer gets faster response times, cleaner information, stronger follow-up, and more employee capacity. The company that only uses AI occasionally may still get value, but it will not get the same compounding effect. That is the implementation gap. And a quick word for today's sponsor. The TopCat AI Signal Report is for leaders who want to understand what moves underneath the headlines. The question is not whether AI is available. The question is whether you are building a workflow that turns that access into real value. From noise to signal. Segment 4, the reliability signal. There's another important signal today. Companies are beginning to focus more directly on reliable enterprise AI. Workday announced a dedicated AI research team focused on reliable, trustworthy, and efficient AI for enterprise use. Its research areas include persistent agent memory, explainability, multi-agent orchestration, reward over optimization, recommendations, and adaptive resource control. That obviously is from Workday. That matters because enterprise AI is not simply a model producing a good answer once. It's about whether the system behaves reliably over time. You guys agree? All right. Can it remember the right context? Can it explain why it made a recommendation? Can multiple agents work together without creating confusion? Can the system avoid optimizing the wrong thing? Can it stay useful as conditions change? Now, these are not science fiction questions. These are practical operating questions. Got me? And the companies that solve them would be better positioned to scale AI safely. Segment 5, the danger of uneven adoption. Now, uneven adoption creates a danger. The companies that are behind may panic. Now, they may start buying more tools. They may launch agents without clear boundaries. They may give AI access to customer systems before they understand the risks. They may automate workflows that are not ready to be automated. And they may mistake activity for progress. That is the wrong move, y'all. The answer is not to copy whatever the largest company is doing. The answer is to pick one workflow that matters. Remember? Make it clear, make it measurable, make it safe, make it useful, then improve it. The companies that are falling behind are not necessarily less intelligent. Often, they simply have fragmented data, unclear ownership, weak process documentation, or a culture that has not yet decided how AI should be used. Now that can be fixed, but it must be fixed deliberately. Segment 6, what small businesses should do. All right, guys, pay attention. For small businesses, today's signal is encouraging. You do not spend $7,400 per employee to benefit from AI. You need to know where your bottleneck is. Is it slow lead response? Is it customer support? Is it content creation? Is it appointment follow-up? Is it proposal development? Is it internal knowledge that lives in too many places? Pick the bottleneck, then build a simple workflow around it. Follow me? For example, use AI to prepare first responses to common customer questions, right? Like the fact you have, instead of making that, now put it in AI. But have a human approve sensitive issues. Use AI to summarize sales calls, but have the salesperson determine the next step. Use AI to draft proposals, but have the founder refine the value proposition and pricing. Use AI to organize documents, but keep your source information clean and controlled. That is how small business competes, not by becoming more automated than everyone else. When the hell does that? By becoming more responsive, more organized, and more focused. You got me? Segment 7, what to watch. There are 4 things to watch next. First, watch the growth of AI infrastructure spending. As more AI moves into production, the share of spending will increasingly go toward inference, cloud capacity, integrations, and system reliability, not just individual subscriptions. Second, watch whether more companies create dedicated teams for reliable enterprise AI. Workday's new research unit reflects a broader move toward making AI dependable enough for core business operations. Third, watch whether the implementation gap widens. The businesses that combine clean data, clear workflows, and governance may begin to pull ahead much faster than those still experimenting randomly. And fourth, watch for the return of AI spending. The winners will be able to point, to better speed, better service, lower rework, stronger conversion, and stronger decision making. The losers will have a long list of tools and no clear result. Another quick word from today's sponsor. The TopCat AI Signal Report is for founders and builders who want more than excitement. You want useful systems. You want trusted workflows. You want progress that can be measured. That is how Signal becomes creation. Thank you. Segment 8, Executive Action Plan. Let's go, executives. Here we go. All right. Choose one AI workflow already in use for your business. Then ask, does it remove friction? Does it improve quality? Does it save measurable amount of time? Does someone know the outcome? Does it have a human escalation path? And can we explain its value in plain language? If the answer is no, do not add more AI tools. Improve the workflow first, okay? Clean up the knowledge source. Define the process. Set a measurement. Assign an owner. Then scale what works. That is how you avoid becoming a company that pays for AI without learning how to use it. Okay, so today's TopCat signal is this. The AI economy is becoming uneven. The leaders are not pulling ahead because they discovered one magical prompt. They're pulling ahead because they are turning AI into a disciplined operating layer. One workflow, one measurement, one improvement at a time. For everyone else, the path is still open. Start with the bottleneck. Build the workflow. Protect, trust, measure the outcome. And remember, the future advantage does not belong to the company with the most AI. It belongs to the company that knows what to do with it. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification, and please share with one founder that you feel could use the time back. From North to Signal, from Signal to Creation, and from creation to legacy. That is our vibration. This has been number 77 of the TopCat AI Signal Report. We do appreciate you. Thank you, Columbus. Thank you, Austin, Texas. Thank you, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Thank you, Fort Myers, Florida. Thank you, Ghana. Thank you, India. Thank you, China or Hong Kong. Thank you, Canada. We appreciate you. Thank you, Dallas, Texas. Man, the list goes on. You want to be on? Hit me up and put it in the chat. We appreciate you. Coach Clement out. Have a great, may peace be unto you.